Want to use BingX in your preferred language? Changing the app language in 2026 only takes a few taps and can make trading much easier to navigate. Open the BingX official website or launch the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon in the top corner of the screen to open the account menu. Go to Settings and look for the Language or Language and Region option. Tap it and browse the list of available languages supported by BingX. Select your preferred language and confirm your choice is prompted. The app will usually apply the change immediately, although some versions may require you to restart the app for all menus and features to update. If you cannot find the language setting inside the app, BingX may automatically follow your phone system language settings instead. Once the change is applied, menus, buttons, and most trading features will appear in your selected language. And that's how you change the language on the Bing app in 2026. Using your preferred language can make trading faster, easier, and more comfortable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.